There are several efficient methods to interlock a toilet exhaust fan with lighting for new restrooms. One method involves using a lighting control panel with motion sensors. To implement this, firstly, install a lighting control panel that has integrated fan control capabilities. Secondly, connect the exhaust fan to this control panel. Thirdly, install motion sensors in each of the 4 restrooms. The operation of the system is as follows. When motion is detected in any of the restrooms, the lights will automatically turn on and the exhaust fan will start running simultaneously. After motion is no longer detected for a predetermined amount of time, for example 15 minutes, the lights will turn off. However, the fan will continue to run for an additional period, say 10 minutes, to ensure the air is cleared of odors and humidity. The advantages of this approach are considerable. It automatically interlocks the fan with the lighting, which guarantees ventilation whenever the restrooms are in use. It extends the fan's runtime after motion stops, effectively reducing odors and humidity. The use of motion sensors minimizes unnecessary fan operation, resulting in energy savings. Finally, it simplifies both the wiring and control aspects, making the installation process more manageable. Another method is to use an exhaust fan timer. To implement this, firstly, install an exhaust fan timer in close proximity to the fan. Secondly, wire the fan to the timer. The operation is straightforward. When the lights are turned on, the timer begins counting down from a predetermined time, for example, 20 minutes. During this period, the fan runs continuously. When the timer reaches 0, the fan automatically turns off. The advantages of using an exhaust fan timer are that it is a simple and cost-effective solution. It requires less complex wiring compared to using a lighting control panel. The fan always runs for a set duration after the lights are turned on, ensuring consistent ventilation. A third option is to use occupancy sensors. To implement this, firstly, install an occupancy sensor in each of the 4 restrooms. Secondly, wire each occupancy sensor to a relay that controls the exhaust fan. The operation is as follows. When someone enters a restroom, the occupancy sensor detects their presence. This detection activates the relay, which in turn switches on the exhaust fan. When the occupant leaves the restroom, the occupancy sensor no longer detects any movement. This causes the relay to deactivate, turning off the exhaust fan. The advantages of occupancy sensors are that they provide similar functionality to motion sensors. They can detect occupancy more accurately than some types of motion sensors, which reduces the likelihood of false alarms. Occupancy sensors can also be installed in areas where there is low or obstructive visibility, providing more flexible placement options. When choosing the most efficient method, consider these points. A lighting control panel with motion sensors provides comprehensive control and energy savings. An exhaust fan timer is a simple and cost-effective option for basic ventilation. Occupancy sensors offer accurate detection and can be used in various locations.